Up next, we got this Craftsman LT2000. It's seen what you would call a little bit better days. That's fine. Someone was towing something with it that shouldn't have been, but we can fix that. Got the extra guard right there and right there, but let's see if it'll crank over. This ought to be interesting. Come on, be good. Nice. And this one right here will be the donor for the body, the shifter, steering wheel, seat, and probably the hood, and anything else I need to get this one back out there mowing again. Well, got the jump pack hooked up to it, and see if the key works. Yep. All right, let's throw something flammable down it and see if it'll start. A little bit of brake clean. That's fine. Let's see what we get. Fingers crossed, did we get a good motor? Uh-oh. Here we go. Round 2. That's fine. Very nice. Hooked up a fuel line to it with a clean tank and a fresh filter. Let's see if that carburetor still functions. Give her a shot of the good stuff here. That should be enough. Let's see what we get. Got her in reverse. Yep. Nice. Nice. Off with the old. On with the new. A lot better. And while we're at it, we're going to do some cleanup on it. And, yeah. Get her looking good again. All right. Did some cleanup. Got a hood on it. Got the rest of it together. Put a battery in it. Let's see if this thing will continue to start. Well, it's all done, and it mows good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks a lot better than what we first started with, and it's good to go. Check out right after this. You'll see that everything works as it should now. All right, on to the next one. Well, here we go. Let's see if we get any deck engagement.